Imagine losing weeks of architectural plans the night before a major site inspection. It's both stressful and expensive. In construction, data loss isn't rare, but a real risk that can halt operations overnight. Here are the top 5 data loss risks construction teams face. 1. Hardware failure. Say a field engineer's laptop crashes and without proper backup, critical site data is gone. 2. Human error. One accidental drag and drop, and you've deleted the latest revision of a blueprint. 3. Cyberattacks. Construction firms are now prime targets for ransomware, especially those using cloud collaboration tools. 4. Disconnected systems. Data spread across Autodesk and other platforms leads to sync issues and missed updates. 5. Natural disasters. Fires, floods, or even a power surge can wipe out on-site servers instantly. So how can you protect your data? Cloudsfer securely backs up and syncs your construction data, including your Autodesk projects, across cloud platforms. It's automated, encrypted, and always accessible when you need it most. Want to see how it works for your team? Click the link in the description box below to contact us directly.